GPS mode right now. Just hovering, not touching the controls. It's doing pretty good. Really good actually, since the wind is probably about 12 miles per hour right now. And this is doing better than the Bugs 2W and the Hubson actually. That's doing really good. Let's turn it around. The wind's kicking up now, but still staying exactly where it needs to be. Alright, looks like the battery just died, which is really good because I got about 20 minutes on this. Yeah, I got about 20 minutes on this, and that's really playing around with it, and with pretty decent winds. So so far this is a winner in my book, which always is with Holy Stone drones.